ELECTRO-TECH UG. Current technology. Future excellence.
In this video, we bring to you an anti-vehicle collision system that is used to detect incoming and outgoing cars around sharp bends. This simply prevents accidents by giving signals to both the incoming and outgoing ones.
This is how it works.
As you can see, it is showing path clear. When a vehicle is detected from here, when the vehicle is detected and then it's an approaching vehicle, it shows, it alarms, even an indicator lights